How to use baking soda for whitening skin. Most people suffer from some type of unwanted skin darkening caused by a range of reasons, such as chafing, sun exposure, freckles, scars, acne, skin irritations, pigmentation, skin allergies, rashes, contact spots, genetics. But it doesn't have to cost a lot to fix this problem. Baking soda is an excellent remedy for treating uneven skin, while also brightening it. Baking soda acts as an exfoliator, skin brightener, teeth whitener. It is a natural, effective and cost-affordable remedy. Is baking soda good for skin whitening? Baking soda is composed of sodium and a pH neutralizer which exfoliates the dead skin cells throughout the skin. The pH of baking soda helps to neutralize the acid-alkali nature of the skin. It acts as an exfoliant that removes the cellular damage in the darkened skin. Regular application will make your skin whiter, softer and shinier. It has antibacterial, antifungal, antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties that clear all the infection on the skin along with its scars. It acts as good oil-absorbing agent to clear excess oil. It evens the skin tone and prevents the buildup from clogged pores. It deeply cleanses skin by absorbing the excess oil. How to use baking soda for skin whitening. Baking soda with water. The fine particles in baking soda removes the dead skin cells to give an even skin tone. Mix baking soda and water in a 2:1 ratio. Apply this paste on the affected skin. Massage gently in circular motion, then leave on for a few minutes. Wash off with lukewarm then cold water and dry the skin. Only apply 3-4 times a week. Note: rose water or buttermilk or almond milk can be used instead of normal water. Mix 2 teaspoons of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of warm water. Wash the affected area and apply. Let it dry for a few minutes and wash off with warm water, then dry the skin. Baking soda with honey. Honey helps to fight against bacteria, tightens the skin pores, protects skin from sun damage and moisturizes the skin. Baking soda exfoliates the skin to reduce redness caused by breakouts and thus boosts proper circulation. Process 1. Mix baking soda and honey to make fine paste. Apply this on the affected skin. Leave on for 15 minutes and then wash off with water. Baking soda with oat flour. Oatmeal and baking soda have a grainy texture that exfoliates the skin to remove the dead skin cells and activates the cells to lighten it. Process 1. Stir 1 tablespoon each of baking soda and water and add 2 tablespoons of oat flour. Apply on the affected skin. Scrub it gently and leave it on for 2-3 minutes before washing off. Baking soda with lemon. Baking soda mixed with lemon juice has vitamin C that acts as a bleaching agent. Mix freshly squeezed lemon juice with 1/2 cup of baking soda. Apply on the affected skin and rub it gently. Leave it on for a few minutes and wash it off. You can also add few drops